Alright, welcome back. I have made some progress since the last video, and I'm going to kind of catch you up to where we're at. I've had some yuck weather that I've been working in, so we'll just kind of catch you up and then we'll keep going on where we're at. We got the front pieces installed. I put some trim on the corners, filled some gaps. That all worked out really nice. Yesterday I got the front uprights for the cabinet installed. I've got primer on all the steel inside now. We've had to do some modifications to the back side here. I cut that angle that was there out. I cut that hitch connector that was out. Due to the height of the cabinet, we're actually going to have to move the roller back to here because the winch line coming back is actually now going to angle here instead of there, because the cabinet was supposed to be down to here. But we're going to get into the winch and roller and stuff later. That's all future project. Right now we're going to keep working towards getting the deck done and getting the decking on. Let's see, I'm sure you can see other things that I forgot to mention, but those front plates are on. I've got measurements for the side plates, and this corner, the steel's actually going to come here and then go this way and connect. So we're going to have a little pocket here. That might be where I put the hose reel. I was thinking I was going to put my hose reel right up in here for air, and then we'll run the air out through here, or maybe through that. No, probably down through here. So, but that is future. Right now, like I said, we're going to focus on getting this cabinet sealed up. The top plate that's going to go right in here, if you can see what I'm talking about, I cut that out so I can put the plate up and seal the top of this cabinet off. Obviously there's going to be a lot of caulking involved by the time we're done, but today I'm going to get my piece of angle put here, since it's above freezing for the most part, and our 2 extra crossovers put in, and then frame in. There's only 2 pieces, and they're going to sit right here on the bottom frame, so it won't be that big a deal. And I think we have to move the trailer forward so I can get to everything to weld it, but that's my plan, just to get done today. So that means this deck, and we're going to finish priming stuff along the way here, but that means we'll be able to put our wood deck on here after today. So stay tuned. Alright, there you go. Front is finished and ready for decking. Oh, it's going to get some primer here before we're done, but we are moving on. We're going to actually hook up the trailer and pull it ahead a little bit, block off some more of the driveway, and keep working. Alright, we're coming along. We've got our 2 extra crossovers put in now, and Christopher is running our primer. We are almost all one color. That was our goal for the day. We're gonna get the rest of this. We are almost we're over halfway done with the whole paint. Then I took our spray paint that I got, this Krylon Max Cover Max, whatever it is. I was hoping it was gonna match my truck. I did a test spot on the trailer here. I know the lighting doesn't make it really easy to see, but I'm not 100% sold on it. I think it's going to dry a little bit darker, especially being on this brown primer. So we'll see how it turns out. Still need to get that box cleaned up and painted, but that's like last of my concerns right now. Christopher's getting himself all full of paint.
Yeah.
Yeah, you painted yourself into a corner, literally. get down under the trailer and get around all that, because you have wet paint everywhere. We probably should work from the back.
No, just
okay. Anyways, all of our touch-up is done. I didn't realize, stupid me, that I put that angle in the front. Didn't even cross my mind we were gonna have to do the same thing on the back. So tomorrow I have to pick up some sandbags for my truck. I'm gonna grab another piece of angle and throw that in there. The next steel order I make is gonna be flat steel to close up the cabinet, and we will be ready for deck board. Well, tomorrow we'll be ready for deck board on the top, or no, not the top. Top we gotta finish closing the cabinet, but the bottom will be ready. So I'm excited. Christopher's excited. Everybody's excited. We'll give you a quick peek when we're done here. All right, I got a couple different test spots of this burgundy satin here. I'm gonna try it out. Worst case scenario, we'll just paint back over it with either black bed liner or whatever we decide to do. Christopher did a great job painting. We got all our crossovers in and welded down. I think I showed you that part. And almost everything painted up. Tomorrow I'm going to pick up that piece of angle. I'm not going to bother videotaping that, but I'm going to flatten those welds out and put that piece of angle on the back end here. So we got a spot for our boards. And we are ready for deck board. When we do the deck board, I'll show you how we're going to do the fenders. Basically, I'm just going to cut the board out above the tires, and we're going to put a piece of that 3/16 that we had left over, or that extra piece. I'm going to cut that in half and run that above the tires for coverage so we can drive over top of it. But we're moving right along. We will catch you in, we know where we're at. I think we're on part 10 right now. Part 11, we're going to continue working on the cabinet. I got measurements for the steel for that. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Keep up with all of our Razor adventures.